Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious curry noodles. This easy guide will help you create a flavorful meal in about 30 minutes. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients, including your favorite noodles, a good quality curry paste, creamy coconut milk, and your choice of protein. Preparing everything beforehand makes the cooking process much more enjoyable and efficient. Now let's build that incredible curry base. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, such as minced garlic, grated ginger, and sliced onions, until they become wonderfully fragrant. Next, stir in your curry paste and cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing its rich spices to bloom. Finally, pour in creamy coconut milk and a bit of broth, bringing this delicious mixture to a gentle simmer. With our curry base simmering beautifully, it's time to add the stars of the dish. First, incorporate your protein, whether it's tender chicken, succulent shrimp, or firm tofu, letting it cook until almost done. This allows it to soak up all those wonderful curry flavors. Then, gently add your noodles directly into the pot, cooking them until they are perfectly al dente, usually taking about 3 to 5 minutes. For the grand finale, let's add some fresh elements and perfect the taste. Stir in any quick-cooking vegetables, like spinach or sliced bell peppers, during the last 2 minutes of cooking. Taste your curry noodles and adjust the seasonings. A pinch of salt, a touch of sugar, or a squeeze of lime juice can make all the difference. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve immediately for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.